ano, 2. Let's see, yan. So, we love this team, kaya hindi pa tayo tapos, no, Direk? So, yun. Kita-kits tayo April 4, Iconic 5. Please share! So, yung may mga share nyo lahat today, yung nangyari, kung ano yung rating nyo, go lang.
And here in front, we have the cast, producers, and of course the director of I Fell It's Fine, showing April 4.
Alright, so maybe just have...
Aver, oh. Aver. How's your reaction, Rave?
Of course, here, making her way down is the next Sigrid. Thank you so much.
Miss Michelle.
Okay.
How's your reaction about the movie?
Sobrang kakakilig.
Once again, to our audience
Congratulations
members
talaga
and
kay
members
Direk
of the press,
Sigrid.
please
Kay
take us
Ramos
one
and of
step
course,
back
Grace
po,
Adecason.
just to
Grabe,
have some
nakakakilig. I recommend
space
it and-
for our
Are
cast,
you willing also to
producer,
work
and
like that
director.
kind of
Maraming salamat
Oh
po.
yeah,
If you
very
get
open
shot.
naman also.
Okay. Thank you, Miss Michelle.
Thank you. Watch I Fell It's Fine. Hashtag if.
Di ba ako Beautiful Michelle.
Stand here at the front.
David, would you
And of course, we'd like to ask all of our audience members,
Very good.
our press, to please
your
step a
reaction
little
watching
bit
the
back
video?
and
Roller
give our
coaster.
cast, producer,
But
directors
I really
some space
enjoyed it.
to share a short thank you message to each and every single one.
Sobrang ganda.
Once again,
Sobrang
we'd like to
ganda,
call
oh my
out
Nakakakilig,
here
nakakakilig.
Sid.
Watch it. You should watch it. Sobrang
That's
dami
it.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Sabi nakakakilig.
Nakakakilig, grabe.
Sobrang nakakakilig.
Ramdam na ramdam ko yung kilig ng Rush Your Rebels!
Ang pangalan niya?
Just when you least expect it, biglang boom! Oh! Wow. That was the feels right there. To invite back here to the front, there are two lovely ladies at...
Angel.
Palakpakan po natin sila!
Parang gano'n. Angel Guardian. What's your reaction about the movie?
Very good.
Thumbs up.
Kilig. Kilig, right?
And now, just to give a short message.
International, sa mga posters ko, syempre, sa aking leading lady. Ano bang ininom natin tonight? And of course, sa inyong lahat. Thank you.
Alright, let's hear from the rest of the cast as well. Inviting, of course, giving thanks. Siyempre sa lahat ng mga taga-suporta ng ating pelikula.
Ayan.
Marami pa ang cinemas na marating nitong pelikula na to. Sana umabot pa to sa ibang bansa. Marami pang stories ang matouch ng pelikula na to. Again, maraming mga tawanan, hiyawan, at yun pala ang ramdam na namin na nag-enjoy kayo. Hindi na namin tatanungin. Pagpapag-usap lang namin sa inyo ay let's share this
Sa inyong lahat, naging posible ito dahil sa inyong lahat at hindi kayo bumitaw. So maraming salamat po, Rastro Rebels, Chen, Rian Luchen, Cyber Rian.
Masarap nakakita ng mga lumang mukha. Bagong mukha. Sobrang luma. Kaya kasi sobrang
Ganda! Anong reaction nyo sa movie?
Siyempre, I'm happy.
Sobrang kilig ko talaga.
Anong pakiramdam nyo?
Ano?
Napanood nyo ng ganong klaseng movie?
Maraming
Ay,
salamat po.
maganda. First time na, ano,
Sana
maayos. Maganda.
ano to sa April 4.
Thank you po. Pinapanood ko kayo.
Let's hear from our director, Direk Sig.
Break it down. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapakilig sa aming pelikula. Lalong-lalo na mga fans ng Rastro. Hindi na naman na mapipigilan sa dekada na sana worth it ang panonood mo para sa pelikula. Maraming taga-media po. Maraming salamat po sa tulong mo sa mga guests po namin. Ang pakiusap ko lang po sana, wala pong spoiler. Please po, sana po matulungan
po ang aming palabas. Mas maganda sana kung sabay-sabay tayo makakaalam po ng totoong kwento. Maraming salamat po talaga sa support. And of course, to my producers and to all the cast, maraming salamat. And syempre, hindi ko magagawa po hindi ko na ito kung wala po ang mga staff ko. Ayun, maraming po sa buong team ng I Felt It's
Congratulations sa lahat ng I Felt It's Fine. I do believe it is a massive success. So once again, please do spread the word. I Felt It's Fine out in cinemas nationwide on April 4th.
Alright, once again, I have been Mix Almendra.
This has been Freya Ashley. Thank you so much for joining us and have a wonderful night.
Stay safe, guys. Ingat po uwi. Thank you so much.
1, 2, 3. Other one. 1, 2, 3. Up to rin po. Pero po, upload po agad. Go. With Michelle. Part 2 with Michelle. Ito po, upload agad.
Okay, 1, 2. Closer tayo. Okay, 1, 2.
Okay, ready? Sisi lang po, sir. Ito lang po ba? Closer po, closer. Wait, ready? 1, 2, closer. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Mukhang may part 2. Videographer mo ba? Oo, yung kanina.
Kaya po, atrasan po tayo, ha? Atrasan po tayo.
Sino kasama mo, kuya?
Saka daw po ito.
Sige, kaya ako maghahanap. Thank you.
Papi, ma'am. Yung kasama na.
Oo, nasa
Photo daw kasama.
Atras po!
Photo lang po. Atras po. Atras po.
Rian! Rian!
And of course, the beautiful voice at the cameo bus. I Felt It's Fine. The beautiful voice behind our OST, Miss Chloe Redondo. And of course, we also have our executive producers from One International Film and Entertainment, Miss April Martin and Miss Pauline Publico.
And syempre tayo hindi mawawala, no? The captain of the ship, the one and only our director, Sigrid Andrea Bernardo. Sigrid, nagulat talaga ako yung, okay kaya siyang I Felt. Okay. Doon siya nag-sink in sa. Okay, up next, may we please call on Sir Dennis Evangelista, our line producer. We have Rafael Rosel as June.
Very much! Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Kinilig ako sobra! Ang galing!
Grabe, no? Lakas mo nung...
Inom ng inom. We have Miss Glyza De Castro and Rian Ramos!
Alright, of course, the members of the press and everybody taking lots of photos. Kaya naman, don't forget yung ating hashtag.
Hashtag IFIF Red Carpet! Come on down once again. We have Congratulations! as boss.
Up next, we have Ice Sanago as Jack.
Our whole cast and crew to come on down.
Alright, once again, please may we ask the entire cast, producers, and of course our esteemed director to please join us here in the front for a simple thank you message and of course, flowers.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rastro Rebels, that was once again.
Nanalo ka. Best Actor. Yun si Moshi pala. Best Actress of Manila Film Festival 2025. Best Actress. Di ba picture? Ano yung reaction sa movie? Reaction sa movie. Ano reaction? Shy type. Kinilig ka? Kinilig kayo? Kinilig kayo sa movie? Yes. Good, good. Okay. Thank you.
Directed part ng movie namin yun.
Parehas lang. Parehas lang.
Directed part na
Thank you. Mami ganda! Any reaction? Mami ganda! Mami ganda! Mami ganda! Any reaction po sa movie? Mami ganda? Maganda, kakaiba.
Ganda, kakaiba.
Kakaiba? Gusto mo ba yung ganong genre?
Para matuto.
Ah!